Welcome to Sherwood Buick GMC. Today we're going to be taking a look at this pre-owned 2016 GMC Sierra half-ton SLT equipped with the Z71 off-road package. On the front end of the vehicle we have 3M protective film as well as LED headlights with LED daytime running lights. Under the hood sits a 5.3 liter V8 engine that produces 355 horsepower and 383 foot-pounds of torque. Also equipped are 18-inch aluminum wheels and heated power folding mirrors with integrated turn signals. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we have our park assist sensors as well as an easy lift and lower tailgate and trailer hitch receiver. This Sierra has a towing capacity up to 9,200 pounds. Moving to the inside of the vehicle, we have a memory driver's seat, as well as our automatic headlight controls and automatic four-wheel drive controls. This Sierra is also equipped with a heated power adjustable leather front bench seat and all-weather floor mats. Also equipped is a heated steering wheel, cruise control, and Bluetooth connectivity that allows for hands-free calling. A touchscreen display shows the vehicle's navigation system, SiriusXM radio, and backup camera. Equipped for your comfort are dual-zone climate controls, and on the vehicle's key fob we have our remote start and entry buttons. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we have a 60-40 split folding rear bench seat.